Friends, welcome back. This is Bharat Bhatia. Today we are going to discuss that how to enable generative AI in Oracle Apex 24.1. So here we are in the Oracle Apex domain. We are providing the workspace, username and credentials, and we are signing. Once we logged in, click on the builder icon, app builder. Here navigate to workspace utility. In the workspace utility, you can see there is a generative AI. This is a new feature introduced in the Oracle Apex 24.1, world's most powerful low-code application. So we click here. In this, you can configure your AI options. Then how it works? Let's go through this. Create. So this is the GUI where you can configure your AI services. So how it works? So first of all, Oracle Apex provide you three options: OCI generative AI services, OpenAI, and Cohere. OCI generative AI services and OpenAI, these both are the paid services. Cohere have the option as a paid for the business and free service for the trial, or you can say developers. So we are going with the Cohere. Once I select the Cohere, it automatically gives us the base URL here. In the base URL column, you can provide a name here like Techno Crash AI services. Here you can provide static ID, which will be used in some code or some backend processes. We can put it because this is optional. So I'm putting it TF AI service AI SERVICE services, Technocrash AI services. So I'm doing like this for the readability. So this is used by app builder. Until we switch on this, it will not be able to use in the API. So we have to use switch on this so that we can use these services in our app builder and other way. Here you have to provide the credentials. As we are creating a new one, so you can select this as a create new and you can put your key here. Now you can say that where from we'll get that key. So this is the API. This is the URL for the API. Click on the next screen. Here, this was api.cohere.ai. So we can say cohere.ai. It will redirect to cohere.com. Here you can create your account and then you can go to this developers and then API references, something like this. First of all, you can click on the developer. First off, you have to create your account, then click on any of them and click on the dashboard. Okay, you have to log in. I'm already logged in. So here you navigate to API key. This is the production key, which is the paid one, and this is the trial key, which you can create here. So you can simply click on the create trial key. Here you can provide a name. Techno Crash. Generate the key. This key is generated. You can copy this and close, or even you can later on you can use this here like this and then copy. So this is created. Navigate to your application. Here you just delete this and paste what you have generated that key now. As I have already created this, I have already configured, so I'm not committing the data. Just click on the create and that's API configuration will be committed in your system. So I'm just cancel this, and here is that what we discussed. So this is another one in previous session I did. So this way the Bharat go here. This is the static ID, the all things. Once you save the data, your credentials will convert it like this. So how you can manage this? I'll show you that again. You can just select this and you can create a new here, or you can use this selected. So rest of the things are the same. There's no need to configure anything else. This is done. Now, this all is done at the level of configuration, AI service configuration. So generative services configuration we did. Okay, let's move back to workspace utility, and I can show you that here in the web credentials, what we have recently done, this Bharat Ko here, this is the credential key pair is there. So you can open and you can update your secret here, secret key, what we already get from this. Go here, dashboard. So you can change password later on. So that's all for now. In next video, I'll show you how to use this generative AI in our system to generate or develop applications and how to use them in the chatbot inside your Oracle Apex. Thank you. Thank you for watching.